Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Lovely to have you all here once again. Thank you for joining me. We've been away, of course, for a while because it's been the Martin Luther King Day. So we had Monday off. We had an extended weekend. Welcome everybody to here. Hope you enjoy the show. We're here live every morning for the opening and closing bell. And our first guest has just turned up. Let's bring him into the chat. It's Bill. Wanders in, grabs his comfy chair in the corner of the room and waits for the bell. Bill, welcome to the show. Let's get straight into the live trades this morning. A lot to talk about today, of course. Here is the market right now, as we expected, drops down on the bell. That's what's going to happen. There it is. You can see it right now. If I go to my main trading screen, you will see there you'll see our overall portfolio for the day. If we go on the live position, you can see it's just dropping back now. As we'd expect for the opening bell, it's always what happens as we go. There we go. Look, we're down 0.32, but on the day so far, we're just down 0.25%. That's what you'd expect this time in the morning. So, yep. Here we go again. Let's get ready for a rocky day on the markets, particularly as it seems tech stocks are now being favoured over, or banks are being favoured over tech stocks, and my portfolio is very heavy on tech. But we will see what happens today. Let's bring in our guest. Bill has just arrived from Canada. Our veteran. Thank you, Bill. Welcome to the show. Lovely to have you here. Let's bring in the ticker for all the latest prices. There we go. That's what's going on live this morning. Okay, Bill, how are you this morning? Good morning, Martyn Lucas, our king. Lovely. I like that. Thank you ever so much indeed. That's very kind of you, mate. It's lovely to have you here. Welcome to the show, and let's make a start. Good morning, all. Dr. Nathan Smith. I missed you all. It's been a very busy weekend for me. I've done a deep clean of the studio. From time to time, as you can imagine, this studio is it's a very busy studio. There's a lot going on in here, a lot of cables, a lot of stuff. And we've had a deep clean. Everything came out, everything got washed, and literally everything got washed, and everything's gone back in again nice and clean. So as you can see, it's been quite a time here in the studio. Anyway, we're up and running, so a bit rusty this morning because everything's a little bit different. Even though it's in the same place, it just somehow feels different. I'm sure you can understand that. Someone comes in and cleans your studio or cleans your office, it all feels a bit odd, right? Okay, let's have a look at our portfolio this morning. Let's see what's going on. If you've just arrived, of course, subscribe, ring the bell. There we go. Let's bring those in, and of course, smash the like button. There we go. We've got, we're off and running. We've got 8 people in the show so far. Just starting off. And let me just mute that. There we go. Skip the ad. Okay, we're all up and running. Let me just check something. Yeah, we're all running back there as well. Good. Okay. The rust is starting to be brushed off. Even though it's not rust, it's clean rust now. Anyway, Tesla is 1026. 1026, you can see in the after hours it was down 2.21. Rivian is now trading at 77.68. 77.68. SPCE 992. 992, very low for SPCE. Gores Guggenheim down 1.49. Lucid is down 0.237. Robinhood is down 2.31. Palantir is down. Up. I apologise. Up. Up 2.8 this morning. Palantir in the after hours. Let's see what happens when the bell goes in 25 minutes, or when the pre-hours start in 25 minutes. I want to welcome all my TikTokers this morning. Thank you for all being here. Wonderful. Thanks to all of you. I'm now 11,500 followers on TikTok. The main show, however, is here on YouTube. If you want to talk to my traders and be part of the trading screen and benefit from all my giveaways, I have lots of giveaways, including cash giveaways on Fridays. You need to come into YouTube. The link is in the profile. Just press my icon and you'll be here. We've got Leah. Good morning, Leah, from the other room. Good morning, Leah. And Believer Bubble. Afternoon, all. Hope all in the USA had a great Martin Luther King Day. I was cleaning all day, believe it, Bubble. I've been deep cleaning my studio. That's a really big thing. We do it like once a year. Take every single thing out, rebuild everything, put it back. It's not a nice time, but it's a very, very important time. So I've just done that. Immersion is down 0.56. On is down 1.06. Rolls-Royce is down 3.49. And Boeing is down 0.81. Now, our crypto over the weekend has dropped again. Ethereum is down at 3,100, Dogecoin 0.6, and look at Bitcoin also down as well, 41.5. A lot of the stuff's coming down right now. We'd expect that after the holidays. We're going to get a big sell-off this morning and then buy back in, I'm sure. So brace yourselves for that. We've got a new member, by the way. I wonder if he'll join us in the show today. We've got a new member, and that is KK2. He's a silver member. Went straight in. He was one of my music fans and came over from the Martyn Lucas show to the Day Trader show and became a silver member. So let's bring in our silver members. You can see them now along the ticker. Let me just bring that in. And I've yet to find out what country he's from. So hopefully he'll join us today and we'll welcome him in, our new member, a silver member. Brilliant. Okay, let me have a look at... Believer Bubble says, I was looking at some of your lighting on Amazon Shop Link. Very nice, but not available in the UK. Oh, okay. Maybe you could find something similar. Anyway. Hi, Shin Dynasty. How was your weekend? That's from Believer Bubble. Nice. One thing I love about our community, everybody's there for everybody. Absolutely love it. All right, so you're seeing on the screen now all our bronze members. We'll bring in our silver members. We've got some new ones over the weekend. Just joined yesterday. All right, let's go back to Tesla. You can see we've got some breaking news as well I'm going to bring in for you today. We'll just let the ticker come to the end there. Explore the Web was new. Paddy and Alicia April, of course, they joined last week. And our new bronze member is, let's have a look, Alex Sandyland. So he's been here for a while now. And Mike 166A. And the Beatles Sean. There's one more. There's one right at the end. Murray McKines from Scotland. There we go. Right, we'll bring in our silver members now, and you'll see who they are. We've got some new ones. There we go. Right, let me bring up the news this morning I wanted to share with you. We've got OKEX rebrands to OKX, expands into financial services. This is something we want to discuss today. It could be interesting as the markets move away from tech into banking services. That's where the money is going right now. Here are our silver members: Sam Laidler, Martin Redding, Harry Boldholt, Mark Korn, and KK2. I don't know where KK2's from, so if he comes into the show, let me know, and I will make sure that we add his country there. All right, tech stocks unravel while banks are hot in 2022. I would put a lot of that down to the fact that banks, of course, are going to start making some more money because interest rates are going up. Bad for business, good for the banks. So you can see why that might be good for the banks. That's going to something we'll discuss later on in today's show as well. All right, let's get back into our prices. How has everybody been, by the way? I want to ask how everybody's been. Bill says, too much snow here, 2 feet. It was hard to go out before it, no way today. 2 feet of snow, oh blimey, stay inside, keep warm, mate. There we go, you don't want that, do you? Over on TikTok, welcome everybody. Thanks for being here, thanks for the follow. In fact, if you're over on TikTok, I want to bring up this for you. Here is the TikTok love and follow. Thank you ever so much for being part of my TikTok show. I've got over 11,500 followers now. But if you'd like to be part of the main show, I will tell you the main show is actually here on YouTube. If you click the link in the profile, as it says on the screen at the top, you can be part of our main show and talk to our traders, and you get a better experience as well. On TikTok, you're seeing it through my phone. It's much, much better if you join us on YouTube. All right, come over. And also we have cash giveaways, and also I can share my links. I can't do that on TikTok. And my members can call into the show as well. We have lots of benefits to our members if you want to be a member to the Day Trader. And here are our all links button. We've got some new offers today. Brokerages always give me money to promote their brokerages, but what I do is I give it back to you. So if you are over on YouTube, there's the link in the chat. Let's bring in Bill. How are you, Bill? Muzanella is here as well, our biggest trader. Let me bring him on the screen. Here he is, Muzanella. Muzanella is one of our gold members. Let me bring in Muzanella right now. Okay. Believer Bubble says, hey Moose, hope you're feeling better today and are on the mend. Yes, Al, how are you? Yes, have you noticed Muzanella's badge has changed colour? Have you noticed that? That's because he's 1 month old today. Muzanella is a gold member and he's 1 month old today. His badge has changed colour. He's all gone posh. He's no longer a green member. He's a light green member about to turn red. And absolutely, very, very good. Okay, let's bring in our main ticker now. And look at the stocks this morning. We've got our portfolio is currently down. Remember, I'm still down big time. If you look at it, look, I'm down 6%. My stock, my valuation of my portfolio is right down at the moment. I'm really, really down, suffering. But I'm sticking with it, not doing anything about it, staying where I am. I believe in the stocks I have, but it's a tough time right now. Let me just test these buttons are working. If you drop a comment in the super chat, this will happen. There it is. If you become a member, this will happen. And if you become a subscriber, this will happen. There we go. Lovely, and welcome everybody to the show. Great stuff. All right, we've got a lot to think about today. Should I start moving my positions? I've already decided, for me anyway, I'm going to stay exactly where I am, hold my positions right now. Mark Korn, good morning all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you all this morning? Lovely to see everybody. I'm still at home, going back to work tomorrow. Thanks for asking. Muzanella is on the mend. He's feeling a bit better. He's been feeling pretty rough as our Moose, and he's one of our biggest traders on the channel, one of our gold members, and it's lovely to have him here, and I'm glad he's feeling a little bit better. If it's your first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell, and don't forget guys, give us a thumbs up in the video for the video. It really, really helps. We've got just over 15 minutes to go now before the bell goes. Now, it's not the bell for the opening bell, it's the small horn, I like to call it, for the pre-market here on Robinhood. That's the platform that I'm using, but I also use eTORO, COINBASE, WEBULL as well. But this is my main portfolio. I'm glad you're well. Muzanella, I will call you today, reference your YouTube channel. I will call you today in between the two sessions, so just bear with me. We've had a very, very busy weekend this weekend. I've been rebuilding, deep cleaning the studio. Took the studio apart and deep cleaned it. And it's always difficult coming back after a deep clean. Everything feels a bit different, even though it's exactly in the same place. You may notice that Muzanella's badge has changed colour. That's now because he's gone into his second month. He's no longer a green member. He's now upgraded. No worries, mate. Okay. Rivian is 77.70. Virgin Galactic is 991. GGPI 1128. Lucid 4109. Welcome to all my guests over there. If you can mention to me, what does that say, Martin? Hang on a minute. Operator NF, is that? If you can get a mention on me, it will be great. Operator, how are you this morning, Operator? Lovely to have you here on TikTok. Welcome, welcome. If you want to be part of the main show, however, come over to YouTube. The link's in the profile. That's where our traders are. That's where the main action is. If you want all those free giveaways I have some stock to give away, and I have some Bitcoin to give away, and every Friday I have cash to give away as well, live in the show. Mark Corn, 991, yes, it's dropped again, but we'll see. Okay, here we go, 15 minutes to go before the pre-market starts. So we're getting excited now, hoping to see some recoveries. Let's get those likes up, guys. We've only got 12 likes and there's 15 watching. So if you've just joined and you've not liked the video, smash the like button. There we go. Mark Corn is here. Good morning, Mark. How are you, Mark? Lovely to have you here, one of our members. Let's bring in our members this morning. Here we go. Lovely to have Mark here. I think Mark's one of our silver members, if I'm right. We'll see in a minute. I'll be buying a couple to make a couple of bucks. Yes, I strongly suggest. I mean, it's something I wish I could do right now, but I'm fully committed. Right, buying these dips. In fact, I've already bought the dips of SPCE. I can't buy any more. I'm looking to sell some SPCE today. 11.25. I'll start selling around 12 if we can get. There's Mark Cornlett, one of our silver members. We got a new member this morning, just joined. That's KK2. KK2 showing on the screen right now. I don't know what country he's from, but he joined just a few hours ago. All right, there we go. Smash the like there. Leave a bubble. What is the headline news for today? The new headline news today is tech stocks unravel while banks are hot. Everyone's moving, it seems, out of tech stocks. Other than me, I'm sticking with my principles. We've got people moving out of the tech stocks into banks, and the reason why that is, of course, is banks are now raising interest rates. Technology stocks are out of favour, while previously shunned bank shares are popular again, as a persistent jump in bond yields is turning markets upside down this year. Of course, we're going to get a lot of money being pumped into banks. The interest rates are going up, bonds are up, a lot of money in banking right now. But you have to make money out of the stocks you've invested in to do that. Right now, everything for me is down. If I'd known this was coming, of course, I would have sold, but I didn't, so I'm stuck where I am right now. Hey, it's Dave Mottram in the house. Let's bring Dave Mottram in the house. How are you this morning? Oh, no, it's Dave. When did you get here? There we go. Here he is. Dave Mottram. Hiya, Mark, he says. Lovely stuff. Lovely to have Dave Mottram in the house. Otherwise known as Moaning Dave. I call him Moaning Dave. He's always bloody miserable. And but there you go. It's all good. The ongoing rout in tech stocks, a no-brainer pick for me for more than a decade, looks to be more than a short-term pullback. Bank of America, a January Global Fund Manager survey showed that the net allocation to the sector fell 20% month over month to 1%, the lowest since 2008. At the same time, overweight positions on bank stocks rose to 41% among Bank of America's clients, closing in on a record set in October 2017. So we are seeing money move out of tech stocks and into banking. All right. Well, obviously you have to have a profit made in your tech stocks to do that. That's not for me right now. Good morning, Don Pickles of the Day Traders Show. Nice one, Bill. Thank you very much for that. I like a bit of comedy on the show. So there's our news this morning. The main news is we're moving out of tech stocks into banking stocks. They all seem to be taking the money. Let's have a look at our Bitcoin this morning. It's down today. It's at 41. I am down on it. Doge as well is down 0.3%. And Ethereum is down, but we are seeing something grow. Now look, in the last few minutes, Ethereum, Doge, and I will say, despite all of this, Bitcoin is still my most secure asset. That might sound quite surprising, but actually it is. I'm a business analyst in a software company. There we go, Dave Mottram. I'm down on Shiba 5%. Yes, Shiba's down, of course, as well today. A lot of the high-risk stocks are down. That's actually what's happening right now. So anyway, we're looking at my main portfolio. If we go back to the live position, as you can see, right, all of a sudden, in the last hour, we're seeing something move. This is nice. We've got just 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Big upswing there all of a sudden. Let's see if that was just a blip. Just a little blip maybe. Just looks very dramatic on the screen, right? Overall today I'm down 0.19. That's not too bad for a morning. First day of the week. Let's see how we go. Tesla's 1024. Martin, have you got a cold? You sound like you do. I do have a bit of a dry throat. I'll tell you that. I do feel like I have a dry throat. Yes, I do. Are you there, Leah? No, Leah's not there. I was going to shout out for a cup of tea. But, yeah, I do feel I have a bit of a dry throat this morning. It's a bit of a change here. We've had a deep clean over the weekend. It takes 3 days, so I can't do it on a normal weekend. But basically, every single thing was taken out of the studio and washed. Like, washed cables, washed carpet, washed walls. I mean, we're talking deep clean, and it does affect the air. And we are very dry here as well. At the moment, we're experiencing extreme low levels of humidity, like 25%. So, yeah, I am very dry this morning. That'll be the dust from your deep cleaning yesterday. There's no dust in here, none whatsoever, but it might be inside me because I was working in it, so you might have a point there. That's his dodgy Cornish accent. Yeah, probably coming out, absolutely. Right, just 8 minutes to go now, and we're getting ready for the pre-market to start. Be interesting to see what happens. Over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Thank you ever so much for following me. We've got 11,500 followers now on TikTok. Absolutely great. And actually, my statistics, it's quite interesting. I gain a new follower every 4.5 minutes. It's absolutely amazing. Every 4.5 minutes now, my TikTok channel is growing by a follower. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, talking of growth, over the weekend we picked up some more YouTube subscribers, which is very nice. We've now got, I'll share with you, look at this here. We've now got 1,963 followers. And I thank you very much for that. Really do appreciate it. All right, let's look at the overall portfolio now. There you go. On the hour, we're falling. Look, we're 43, just above 43 at the moment, down 0.22 on the hour. So we're just waiting now. We've got just 6 minutes to go for the pre-market to start. And let's see where we go this morning. Be very, very interesting to see where we go this morning. I'm hoping I need Rivian to pop up. And I also need SPCE to pop up. And Hood, I've got a sale set at 1733. SPCE 1125 and 1220. Rivian 8392. So let's see how far off we are from there. Rivian 83. I've got quite a way to go before I can get some money out of that. It's 8% of my portfolio. I want to trim it down. SPCE 1125. A little way to go there as well. And I wouldn't expect it to do it, to be honest. If I'm totally honest, I don't think it will do it today, but we'll hope so anyway. Let's hope it does it. GGPI is 1128. Lucid is at 4113. We've got just 5.5 minutes to go now, and we'll see how we go. Robinhood, of course, is 1484. Some of the lowest prices now from all these tech stocks. Peloton, Peloton is 0.42. Still making my way to the garage. Go careful, Bill. PayPal is 175 flat on the nose. Immersion is 531. On is 65.50. Rolls-Royce is at $1.66. Boeing is at 224.25. And Apple is at 170.68. So we're just under 5 minutes now. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up as well. That would be wonderful. There you go. Thank you very much for doing that. All right, let's get ready for the bell. We've only got just 4 minutes to go. And we'll see where we go this morning. I need these stocks to pop up, but I don't think they're going to. I'm pretty confident, sadly, that they're not going to do it. I don't see myself getting into a good position at all today. I don't think there's much I can do about it. I think I am where I am, and it is what it is. And I think we're just going to have to ride it out for now. Not much to say about it, to be honest. It's paralyzing my portfolio at the moment, but I do hope I can get some kind of sale out of it. Trim down your stocks. Remember, take profits along the way. I still believe in all my stocks. I'm bullish on all my stocks. I still believe that Virgin Galactic is going to be fantastic, but that doesn't mean to say I don't sell the stock along the way and to trim it down. That is very, very important. All right. Let's bring in our guest this morning. We've got Mark here. We've got Believer Bubble. And we've got Bill Musanella, our biggest trader. And he wasn't feeling very well last week. I'm glad he's feeling a bit better. And there we go. Right. Not long to go now. Just 3 minutes to go before the pre-market. And we will see some big moves. I'm sure of that. If you've just joined us, I noticed we've got some people who've just joined us. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. And if you've not yet liked the video, smash the like button. Let's get to 15 likes before the bell goes. Before the pre-market starts. That would be brilliant. We could do it. We've got enough people in right now. We're watching this morning as we open the pre-market. What we'll be watching will be Tesla, Rivian, SPCE, GGPI, Lucid, and Hood. These are the top stocks we'll be watching for movement this morning. And we'll see how we go. 15 likes now. Fantastic. There, we're off and running. That's not too bad. I'm still waiting until the market opens as long as space stays under 10. Okay, I'm just waiting until the market opens as long as space stays under 10. There we go. SPCE now is at 994. Ford is a big one to watch. Yes, Musanella, thank you very much for that information that you sent me. I think I've got time actually to read it out. It was a very, very good text. Very, very useful information, actually. This is the thoughts on Ford, and I totally agree. We just got time to read it. My thoughts on this is Musanella's thoughts on Ford. He's got a lot of contracts on it, expiring Jan 21st. Ford Motor Company has a lot of debt. I'm just going to summarize this actually. It has a lot of debt. And it could drop because of that. Interest rates are going up. That will make it more expensive for Ford to borrow money. And with all these facts, my personal opinion, Ford needs some cash to proceed and deliver the promises and commitments. They have no option. They have two options: sell their shares of Rivian or dilute some Ford stock at this all-time high. If one of them happens next week, the stock will take a big drop. I absolutely believe that. It's why I didn't get into Ford. I think Ford is great right now, but I think Ford is about to drop. All right, we're just down to the last minute now before the pre-market starts. Here we go. Just 15 seconds to go. Sorry, 25 seconds. I do apologise. All right. I think falls behind the times as well. I'm totally agree with that. All right, here we go. The pre-market. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. We're in the pre-market right now. Let's clear the board and let's have a look at where we're going right now. Okay, we're off and running. So my portfolio, let's go to the live position. Just popped up slightly. That's nice to see. Right, Tesla is down 2.34 this morning. No surprise. No surprise. Down this morning. Okay, let's move over to Rivian now. Rivian is also down 2.75. Big drops this morning on the tech stocks. It's exactly as we expected. This is no surprise. No surprise. Oh, Leah, could I have a cup of tea when you get a chance? My throat is completely dried. Thank you very much. 2.75 Rivian this morning. Look at that. Right. 2% down, 1.97% down on Virgin Galactic this morning, 9.94. No surprise there, no surprise. What you don't want to be is surprised. You want to know where stocks are going, understand what they're doing, and act accordingly. You might just want to ride it out. That's up to you, and that's what I'm doing. But no surprise here. Dave Motrin says mine too, Leah. Dave wants a cup of tea. Dave wants a cup of tea as well. KK2. Right, KK2. Here he is. Our special guest of the day because he just became a silver member. So, KK2, would you like, as a silver member, to be featured on the homepage of my YouTube channel and promoted in the show? Would you like that? First of all, I'm going to bring you up on the silvers. Here we are. If you look on the ticker now, you'll see your name come up. Would you like all our members to subscribe to your YouTube channel, or at least some of them will? They don't have to, but it's one of your perks as a silver member. Welcome, welcome, welcome. He's a brand new member. So I need to know what country you're from, KK2. Could you tell me what country you're from? Because live on the show right now, there's your name on the screen. I want to add your country flag. So what country are you from? I'm sorry if I've forgotten. But tell me and I'll put it on the screen for you. All right? Put your country and tell me, would you like us to promote your YouTube channel? It's a perk that you are entitled to as a silver. Yes, please. Yes, please. You're very, very welcome. I'll take one too. White with Splendor sweetener. Yeah, very nice. My voice is really dry this morning. Down 1.58. Okay, he would like his YouTube channel. Southampton. Right, Great Britain. Okay, so let me do it right now. Live in the show. Here we go. KK2. So, I'm going to put him on the screen with a United Kingdom badge. Here we go. All right. Okay. KK2, welcome to the family. You'll see his name come up now on the screen. And as we're preparing for the bell, we've got 27 minutes. We've got some time. I've just put him on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Here is my YouTube channel. We scroll down. And these are all my featured channels. If I scroll to the right, KK2, there he is. He's a brand new channel. He's a young channel. And you're going to see now the power of our family. I'm going to copy and paste this. You've got 3 subscribers. You watch what happens now, KK2. You're about to get some more subscribers. Here, guys, here's the link in the channel. I'm going to be number 4, so I'm going to subscribe to you. There you go. I just subscribed to you, as you can see on the screen. And let's see how many subscribers you get to your channel this morning. I expect you'll get at least 3, and you'll double your your number there. All right, KK2, congratulations. Thanks for being a silver member. There you go. There's your name on the screen right now with your UK flag. Thank you very much indeed. All right. So let's see. In the first few seconds, let's see if anybody subscribed to you. He's on 3. That's what he started out with. I'll refresh the screen. Top left-hand corner. He's now got 7 subscribers. He's just 125% increase on his YouTube channel. There you go. Great stuff. And as a silver member, whenever you're in, we promote the YouTube channels whenever you're in. All right, you have to be in for us to promote your channel. I think, who else have we got in today? We've got Mark Korn. Right, you need to go and subscribe to the other YouTube channels as well. Mark Korn is here. Mark is on 978. We're trying to get Mark up to 1,000 subscribers. There's Mark's YouTube channel. There you go. So everyone subscribes to everyone's channels. It's a way to help everyone grow. There we go. Right, we just turned green there for a moment on the hour. On the day, we're down very slightly. Oh, my tea's just come in. Oh, lovely. Cheers, everybody. Don't forget, if you'd like one of our... If you'd like one of our day trader mugs, you can get that from the shop. There you go. Absolutely right. Bill said, don't forget to subscribe back. That's the idea. Everyone subscribes to everyone. The idea of that is it helps everyone to grow. All right? Everyone on this channel either makes money, grows their YouTube channel, grows their social media, makes friends, gets support, gets tech support and help from me if they go up to the gold plan. All kinds of benefits and stuff. That's what this channel is all about, helping to support everyone involved in it. So there we go. Thank you ever so much indeed for becoming a gold member and supporting the show. Leslie Woods is here. I think we've seen Leslie before. Let me have a look. BBIG, Fintel, signaling gamma squeeze signal. Also signaling a short squeeze signal again. Leslie Woods. Welcome, Leslie. Here is our all links button should you want any of those free stocks that I offer. And of course, the invitation to become a member to our channel. Thank you ever so much. Got a very dry throat this morning. We are experiencing extreme low humidity here in Texas. Can you believe it? It's cold and it's dry. Custard Boot is here today. Welcome, Custard Boot. If you've just tuned in, let me bring his name on the screen. Here we go. Here is Custard Boot. What am I in today? Okay, let me show you. We've got just 22 minutes to go before the bell goes. Custard Boot. I will share with you right now my stock position, what I've got here. We haven't got a humidifier. Yes, in fact, we do have 2 humidifiers, and do you know what? I forgot to turn them on. Bill, you're absolutely right. I can't believe I haven't turned them on. I need to do that. I will do that when I end the show for the afternoon. You're absolutely right. Okay, Custard Boot has asked, what am I in today? There we go. Mark Korn has signed up for Google. Everyone's following everyone's channels. There you go. One of the benefits when you become a member, you get to support everyone, and everyone supports everyone. There you go. Everyone supports everyone, and everyone supports everyone. Awesome stuff. Right, these are my positions today. Tesla, Rivian, I'm down. Virgin Galactic down 2.17. GGPI, I'm down 1.31. Lucid, I'm down 2.44. Hood, I'm down 1.91. Paladin, I'm up 3% this morning. PayPal, I'm down 2%. Immersion, these are all my actual stocks, all my real money. That's what you're looking at right now. Immersion down 0.38. On is down 1%. Rolls-Royce is down 3.49. Boeing is down 0.83. Apple is also down 1.25. Canoe is down 1.63. Ethereum down 1.44. Doge is down 3.23. And Bitcoin is down 1.28. That's my main stocks that I'm concentrating on. But I'll also very quickly share with you, as you asked, my full portfolio. Here it is. On, Rolls-Royce, Boeing, Apple, Johnson & Johnson, Google, Coca-Cola, Disney, VTI, McDonald's, MasterCard, ARK, Invest, of course, ICLN. We now move down to my dividend stocks. Very, very useful. I get paid all the time, whatever's happening. Are you going to sell before the bell or wait? No, I'm not selling anything this morning because everything is down. I don't want to reposition this morning. These are all my new stocks just coming in. Just got a little taster of some of these. And then our crypto, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are our two main ones. There we go. That's our full list of stocks. Thank you for asking. Okay. Custard Boot is now a friend of the family. He's been here a couple of times. He's not yet a member. He doesn't get any of the perks, but he is actually a friend of the family. He's been here a few times. So thank you very much indeed. Right. We were just promoting Mark Corn's YouTube channel as a silver member. 978. Has he gone up? 979, there we go. He's nearly at 1,000 subscribers. Wonderful stuff. We've got just 16 minutes to go, so we've got time just to share. And let's see how our KK2 was on 3 subscribers. He's now got 13. Incredible. The family is so supportive. If you are a silver member, you get your YouTube channel promoted on our homepage and in the chat. Look at that. He's gone up from 3 to 13 live on the show. Wonderful stuff. We do that for all our silver members. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's go back to our trading screens now. Custard Boot, am I going to sell? No, I'm not selling anything. I'm standing by my ground. We are now up to 20 likes. Absolutely fantastic. 20 likes before the bell goes is great. Thank you ever so much, everybody. All right. I can't believe it. This morning, we have just gained 3 subscribers to the show. Thank you ever so much. We're now at 1966. Now, in the chat, why is 1966 my most favourite year? Can someone tell me why 1966 is my most favourite year? It's on the screen right now. Look at this. We've just hit 1966. There it is. Why is 1966 my most favourite year in the world ever? Does anybody know? Bill, if you remember, we said we would give you your wrench back when you opened the other account. When you opened the other account, we would give it you back. We can't put it on this one because you seem to be hacked on this one. And when we give you the wrench, it's not your fault, but it deletes members and it puts them in timeout in the chat. England won the World Cup in 1966. Thank you very much. Yes, that is correct. That's why 1966 is my most favourite year. It's not the year I was born. I'm not that old, you cheeky sods. All right? I'm not that old, you cheeky sod. Bill said born. No, I was born in 1969. That's old enough. Don't make me any older. England won the World Cup. Absolutely right. You're all spot on there. Well done indeed. Right, absolutely right. Right, so Bill, you were going to set up another account, another YouTube account. You know how to do it. You've done it before. And then I will make you a moderator because you were going to become a silver member as well so I could promote your YouTube channel. If you got silver member, I promote your YouTube channel, and you want that. That's really, really important, Bill. The moon landings, yeah. See, all good in it. I don't want to close my account. No, you don't have to close your account, Bill. Bill, you don't have to close your account. This account you have got has some problems with it. It seems to have been hacked at some point because it does delete members. And I'm not asking you to start over again. You don't have to start over again. I will still promote your YouTube channel, the one you have now. But if you want to be a moderator and have your wrench back, you need a new clean account. Because for some reason, the account that you have has some issues with it. That's all I'm saying, Bill. Does that make sense, Bill? You can have as many, I mean, I've got about 4 accounts. You can have as many accounts as you want. Right, 15 minutes to go now. Here we go. 15 minutes to go now before the bell goes. Where are we going to go this morning? Where are we going to go? What's going to happen? We're about to find out. I don't want to close my account. No, you don't have to close. No, I tried to get another one, but I don't know how. You just go into YouTube and go into your settings and create a new account. It's a bit difficult to show you during the show, I'm afraid. I only have an iPhone. Well, how did you set your account up on your iPhone? What's the spoons for? What's the spoons for? Moose? Why have you put a lot of spoons in? Right, on the day now, we are just below 0. Tesla down 2.41. Great opportunities to buy in right now if you've got money on hand. And you will see from my buying power, I have 127. For Bill. A spoon? What do I want a spoon for? Give Bill a spoon. I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. Anyway, Rivian is down as well, 2.44. SPCE is down 9.93. But trades I'm trying to set up this morning is SPCE 11.25. If I can sell something around 12, I will. Log out of your account. Then instead of signing in again, that's correct. That's right. And create an additional account. That's right. Exactly right. That's exactly right, Bill. What Dave has just told you there is absolutely spot on. Palantir is up 2.8. PayPal is down 2%. Immersion is down 1.13. On is falling, down 1%. Rolls-Royce down 3%, 3.46. What's going on in the chat here? He could also log out and change his password. He could do that as well. But we wanted to have another account just to make it simple. He could just change his password as well. That's another way, absolutely. He could do that. But there's something wrong with his account. His account has been hacked because even when he's not here, his account will delete members and all that stuff. And he said he's not doing it, so we'll take him at his word he's not doing it. Canoe is down 1.19. Ethereum is also down today, down 1.63. Doge is down 3.55. And Bitcoin is also down 1.48. Change the password and review where you are logged in. He's saying he only has a phone, but I don't know how he set up an account on a phone. I mean, I don't understand that. Have you got an iPad, Bill? All right. On the day, we're down 0.21. Just 10 minutes to go now. Yeah, but if he's been hacked, there might be other active login sessions. This is why I'm suggesting he just sets up a new account, right? He can leave his account, what Bill has got now. So he's got his YouTube channel, his videos, all that stuff. Just create a new account. Very, very simple. and then I'll make him a moderator. I just can't. We've put it back like, I don't know, 10 times, and every time we put it back, he starts deleting accounts again, and we can't carry on doing that. All right, we're just 10 minutes and 20 seconds to go now, and the bell will go, and hopefully will start popping up. I don't expect any real great news. I have to be honest, I don't think we're going to have any great news until, especially for Virgin Galactic, until the end of January, going into February at all. But anyway, Musanana's getting ready to rock it up, and what does that mean? Rock it up and sell and run? I don't know. Yeah, I certainly will be selling some shares of Virgin Galactic if it pops up. Absolutely right. I will. Trying to push the market up. Yeah, aren't we all? Yeah. Optimism, positive thinking doesn't do any harm. I just had this notification pop up on my eTORO platform. What is it? Looks like eTORO team is preparing to liquidate all GameStop Corporation positions. I'm scared about my portfolio. I should have DRS these. What's DRS? These shares. Have you got GameStop? I never, ever said to anyone, get GameStop. Do not believe in GameStop. GameStop is, I've said from the very, very beginning, I'm not a financial advisor. It's only my opinion, but GameStop is literally gambling. GameStop has no underlying value. It's all a gamble. KK2 is here. I believe we will. I don't have any games. Oh, good. Not sure if it means anything to anyone. All right. Okay. Good. I'm glad you don't. GameStop is purely speculation. It's crazy. It's all over the place. Now, some of you will go, I've made a lot of money with that. Yep, you make a lot of money if you gamble in the casino as well, and if you win. It's not for me. I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah. Thank you for sharing that. That's interesting, that. Looks like eTORO team's preparing to liquidate all GameStop positions. I'm scared about my portfolio. I should have sold these shares by now. He's talking about somebody else. Yeah, I'm glad you don't have that. See, a lot of people, they'll invest on what's like, you know, what everyone's talking about, what the buzz is about, what's going on, and it's really not the way to invest at all. Right, Virgin Galactic is now popping up again. That's good. I just want to. Oh, that's good for this time of the morning. I just want to see. I needed to get to 11.25. I won't sell it at 11.25, but I would like to sell it. I would sell it at 12. Put it that way. I'll take any profit I can from Virgin Galactic this morning, in case it goes back down lower again. But Gauss Guggenheim is lifting up a little bit. Lucid is still falling. I'm looking to get back into Lucid from the profit I can make from Virgin Galactic. Bit like chess. Think of where you're going and why you're doing it. Why am I selling Virgin Galactic? Because I want to trim off the top, take some profits out, and then put that into Lucid and buy Lucid when Lucid drops. That's the plan. And I'll happily sell Lucid again, and I'll happily sell Virgin Galactic again. Rivian, my position is too large. I want to sell off some Rivian. Right. 26 minutes to go. Sorry, 6 minutes to go. We're just about to ring the bell. Has everybody worked out what their positions are, what they want to do, where they're going, how things have changed? Let's see if we've got any breaking news on Robinhood right now. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. Okay, I'll share this one. This could be interesting. I know a lot of you are interested in Netflix. Read how analysts view Netflix ahead of quarterly results. Analysts were divided on their opinions of Netflix ahead of its quarterly results this week. So this week we've got earning reports from Netflix. Notes that Netflix price increase was more significant than anticipated, which he believes implies a 1% lift to his Street 2022 revenue. Nonetheless, the analyst has unchanged estimates due to the proximity of earnings, which should shed light on UCAN and international performance, confidence in 2022's content slate, and investment levels. We're a bit close to the bell, so I'll come back to that news later on. We're watching our stocks at the moment. Right, I'm starting to move up. We're flat on the day right now. Okay, we're up on the day. This is interesting. Right, I'm up now. Not seen green for a very long time. 4 minutes to go, and we are up on the day. That's interesting. Netflix jumped yesterday about 8 p.m. I'm a bit fearful of those type of stocks because anyone that they're like YouTube channels. They can be replaced at a moment's notice, and there's so much competition. There's so much of it. You only have to look on your smart TV to see how many different services there are. It's ridiculous. There are so many services like that. I like to be in a unique market like Tesla. No one competes with Tesla, in my opinion. No one competes with Apple, in my opinion. Virgin Galactic, no one competes in it. Lucid, they are another one. You might go, well, why is that? That's like Tesla. No, it's not. It's very, very different than Tesla. Different model altogether. And I like to be in markets where there isn't really anything else like it. Well, with Netflix, there's so much competition. You can make money on it, but it's one of those sort of things that at any moment it could drop. Netflix is increasing the price to subscriber equals more profit. Yeah, it does, Musanella, but at a moment's notice, I could go, do you know what? I'm unsubscribing. Bang, they're finished. If everyone unsubscribed tomorrow and goes, right, I'm going to Hulu, I'm going to Roku, I'm going to Apple, I'm going to YouTube TV, just like that, they're done, finished. That's what I don't like about anything like that. I'm unique as a company. I'll release shares in my... Yeah, you're unique, absolutely. You're absolutely right. Believer bubble, absolutely right. Bill has a new account now. Does he? Oh, look, there he is. Bill has a new account. Right, now, Bill, this is the account. Right, Bill, you've done it. Add as a moderator. Right, Bill. Now make this account a silver member. Okay? I will still promote your other YouTube channel. All right? So, Bill, you want to get your channel promoted, right? Right? So use this account. You can keep the other one, but use this account as a silver. Okay? Here's the invitation to join. All right? We've got 1 minute 46. And then I shall make you I've made you a moderator already. There you go. Okay? And then I'll still promote your other channel. Don't worry. Okay, Bill? You are a nice clean account now. There we go. Right, we've got just 1 minute and 22 to go. Let's bring in the... so Bill will go silver. What we'll do, we'll promote Bill's other YouTube channel. We'll put him on the homepage of the channel of the website of my channel, and we'll get his subscribers up and so on and so forth. Brilliant. You can leave the other one. We just won't use that one as a moderator. Okay. All right. Here we go. 1 minute to go. All right. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Now seems a good time to drop in a quick ad. Here we go. All right, we're back again with you. You can skip the ad. Right, Tesla popped up then for a second. Here we go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, now let's have a look. Let's see what's happened. Let's go over the portfolio. Okay, I'm up 0.17. This is good news. Good news. Good news. Let's see what happens now. Tesla is still down 2.24. Rivian is down 3%. SPCE is now pushing up. There we go. 10.06. 10.06. Where's it going? Uh, 0.79, dropping back slightly. I will sell it at around about 12 if that happens. GGPI pushing up 11.32, dropping back now. Lucid dropping back. Hood dropping back down 3% today, 3.66, 14.66. Peloton is moving up now. PayPal is down 1.44. Immersion is down 1.22. On is also down, but moving up now, 2.24. Rolls-Royce is down 1.74. Boeing is now up 0.07. Boeing is doing well, up 0.25% now. That's very good. Apple is also moving up. Still down, but moving up. Canoe is moving up. Ethereum is still going down. Doge is still going down. Bitcoin is going down 41.3. We're approaching that 40,000 mark again. We're looking for something from Virgin Galactic this morning if we can. Right. Watching it now, we're down 42. 42 right now. We're dropping down. There you go, Bill. There's your... I'm going to open that up in a... I'm going to copy that a minute. Let me open that up in another window and see how your fundraising is going. By the way, for those of you that weren't here over the on Friday, of course, we had the cash giveaway. And I made the donation on behalf of Alicia April, if you remember. She won. So Bill now has $41 in his account. Let me share it with you very quickly. There you go. You see where it says Martyn Lucas? That's Alicia. I did change the name, but for some reason it didn't put her name in there. But anyway, I did make the donation on her behalf. He's now got $41 in his account for his fundraiser. Okay, now then. The overall portfolio is dropping right now. We are down on the hour 0.49. We are down 0.63 today. Tesla is moving up now. 1,029. Is it going to go up again today? Rivian is 76.61. Still falling. I'm down 4% now. I'm down 20% on Rivian right now. This is a long-term investment now at this price. Nothing I can do about it. I want to trim off, but I can't yet. And it's going to be a while before I can, I think. 978. Virgin Galactic is still falling down. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We've got a good number here this morning. 21 likes when the bell went. That was fantastic. Really, really good. Virgin Galactic is now falling, down 3.75. Gores Guggenheim down 1.31. Lucid down 5.55. Hood He's down 5 points. Oh dear, oh dear. Big drops this morning. Big drops. Peloton, on the other hand, is up 2.71. Still down 50% on it, though, so let's get that straight. PayPal is also down. I'm still down 21% on that one as well. Immersion is down 1.22. On is down 2.96. Rolls-Royce is down 1.45. Boeing is having a good day today. Apple, Gove, down 3.71. Ethereum is also dropping today. Dogecoin is still dropping. Bitcoin is still dropping. Wow, we've had months. We've had a couple of months now of consistent downs. Very difficult times. Very difficult times. We're all struggling here today. Hey, Bill, I don't think you subscribed to the channel using this new, using your new account. Go and subscribe and ring the bell. I don't think you've done it, Bill. Because when you do, it'll come up on the screen. All right? It'll come up like this. All right? It's not done it yet. You want to get your new channel subscribed to this one. So and ring the bell so you don't miss the live shows, and set the notifications to all. All right. Wow, we're still falling down everywhere. It's a big down day again. Want the portfolio to stay above 40,000 though. We're not seeing any signs yet. Everything is down at the moment. Not much to talk about. You could sell everything, take a loss, and buy everything back at a lower price. But it's always very difficult to do that, especially now it's dropped so low. Yep, free falling. You're absolutely right. Yeah, totally. Are you still there, Bill? Just saying to you, you need to subscribe. Bill set up a new account, everybody, this morning, and that's how we've been able to add him as a moderator. Oh, good morning. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Lovely to have the Queen with us. The Queen of Self-Braiding, we want to introduce you today to a new member. He became a silver member, which, as you know, if you're a silver member, you get featured on my homepage on my YouTube channel. And here he is, KK2. And we all subscribed to his channel this morning. So he started out at 3 subscribers, and we've got him up to 13. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. So he's got 10 subscribers, and we'd love you to follow him. And, of course, KK2, do the same thing back to the Queen of Self-Braiding. I'm sure she'll follow you. Everybody follows everybody. And there you go. He's gained 10 subscribers this morning. He's one of our silver members, and we welcome him in to the family. Thank you ever so much indeed. Right, watching everything down 1% now. Trying to figure it out. Can't find my old channel. Bill, it's because you're logged in as your other one now. All right? So what you do now you're logged in as this account, you subscribe and ring the bell with this account. Okay? All right? Your old channel, you just search, you've got the link to it. You just put that in the URL at the top in the search bar and go to your account. Someone could talk to Bill and help him out. That'd be lovely. He's struggling a little bit there, but he'll work it out. He's created a new account. He'll do it. Tesla's now down 2.88. Rivian is down 7%. Wow, we're seeing some drops this morning. SPCE down to 5%. Oh my gosh. We're seeing some massive drops this morning. 11.25. Gauze, Guggenheim, Lucid, look, down 7%. We thought we'd seen crashes. Now we're seeing I mean, ridiculous. We're seeing huge sell-offs this morning. Very difficult times this morning if you're in any of these stocks. Nothing you could do about it. The only way around it is if you sell before the dips and just, or you can add to your position. But for me, I'm fully locked in. There's nothing I can do. WEBULL saying, Bill, are you looking for your old YouTube channel and to log in that as well as your new one? What did that mean? He's looking for his old YouTube channel. Thanks, WEBULL. WEBULL is always very helpful in the stream. Always tries to help everybody. I appreciate that very much. Robinhood is now down nearly 6%. Blimey. The markets have switched most certainly. Situations like this, you've just got to ride it out. I mean, these companies will grow and their stock prices will increase, but you have to just ride it out. Unless you've got some new money you can bring in. If you've got some new money you can bring in and buy these dips, then you can do that. And that's something I'll consider doing. I might bring in $1,000 from outside and buy these dips like this. I might do that. I won't do it today. I'll reevaluate and look at it. Take some time to think about that. But that's probably what I will do. Yeah, Tesla is down 2% today. Starting to increase now, though. Association of International... There you go. No, that's right. You're absolutely right there, believe it. But I'm the same. I've got several accounts I'm logged into. But see, he probably... What he did to repair his account, he didn't add it to his same... He didn't add it to his same account. He created another Google address, I would imagine, because he was hacked on that one. Or we think he was. He's not added other channels to the same email address. He's created a different email address altogether, a different login. So that's the way he's done it. But thank you for your help. Really appreciate it very much indeed. Rivian is starting to pull up now. Right, here we go. Virgin Galactic is starting to lift off again. 9.82. It's down 3%. You see now, if I brought in some money, if I brought in some extra money, which I could do, I could bring in. Remember, I'm always growing money from money. I'm not actually just keep putting money in. That's not really investing. That's just kind of buying a bigger portfolio. I mean, it is investing, but I think making money from money is the best way of doing it. So what I could do is bring in some money, but the trouble is I wouldn't want to buy any more of these stocks because they're overweighted now. I might end up not buying these dips and buying into the new markets. The new markets now are banks. People are moving into banks. The situation is different. I wouldn't want to add to my Virgin Galactic position, even though it would dollar average, and I get it. And even though it would make money, right now, if you look at Virgin Galactic, it's 21% of my portfolio. That's way too big. It wants to be no more than 10%. So I want to sell half of my stock. It's too much because for a balanced portfolio that can make money while I sleep and feel confident in it, it needs to be diversified, not all in one thing. And right now, 21% of my money is all in one stock, and that wouldn't be the best thing to do, to buy more and more stock of it. I'd want to make some money from something else, because right now we're waiting for the good news to come, and it's a long-term investment. It's not going to make me money today, unless all of a sudden Richard Branson says we're flying tomorrow, and that's not going to happen, or not likely anyway. So I'd be wanting to looking into move into other markets, maybe PayPal. Okay, we've got a comment here. My UK bank stocks have been flying last month, up 20%. Yeah, of course, we're now talking about the banks. The interest rates are going up, bonds are going up, so the banks are going to be making money. So that's absolutely right. Everyone's different. Believe a bubble. Everything. I'm in Robinhood, and that is trading on the Nasdaq. Yes, but I have stocks from I have stocks that also appear on other platforms, on other exchanges. For example, I've had Tesco's, the supermarket in England. I've had the National Grid. So some of these stocks are on Nasdaq, but they may also appear on other exchanges as well. I've been looking at getting stock in other exchanges so I can have trades going at different times of the day. Yes, exactly. Yes, but it depends what brokerage you use. Now, for me, Robinhood only trades in the hours that I use it, so I couldn't be up at midnight trading UK stocks. I would need eTORO, for example. You'd need a UK brokerage that traded on the UK stock market. So Robinhood wouldn't work for me. But it's not a bad idea. But don't you want to break from it though? If you've got brokerages in different countries and you've got exposure to those exchanges, you could be trading 24/7. That might be a bit too much for me. I quite like when the markets have closed. It's kind of a break time. Right, Boeing is at 1.15. I use eTORO and they've been branching out into the... Yes, there you go. Good for you. It could make you a busy man, though. I think I'm busy enough. I think it's okay just dealing in one exchange. MCSI World Energy is up 20% in a month. There you go. Paul, breaking news from Paul. Thank you, Paul. MCSI World Energy is up 20% in a month. Fantastic. Right, we're down the day 0.87. We're hoping for some bounces soon, but I did say I don't expect any great news today. I've been setting my TPs to automatically close positions, automatically close trades at certain targets. That's a good idea. I like to feel it out a bit more than that. I don't tend to do that. I know a lot of the traders in here do that, and it's very sensible. I like to be here because I'm here all day with Robinhood. I'll feel it out. The only thing with setting trades like that is you can miss out sometimes. I mean, it can protect you as well, though. But of course, you can miss out sometimes, and situations change, and you're away from your computer. But it's a good idea if you can't be in front of your computer. I mean, I've got this running all day long, so for me, it's slightly different. Tesla's now improving, popping up quite a bit. Same with Rivian. It's trying to come back up again. Virgin Galactic still falling 9.69. Now, some people are saying Virgin Galactic could go to $6. Could go to $6. I mean, that literally would that would tank my portfolio. That would, if that happens. But that very, very much could happen. It's on the cards. It could happen. I certainly hope not, because my portfolio could reach all-time lows. But that's a good point. I just put that on the screen there. WEBULL says, I've been setting my trading positions to automatically close trade at certain targets. Yes, I missed out on a couple of higher trades, but I'm happy if I make a profit. Absolutely. That's it. It depends on your situation. You might feel that you can't be in front of a computer all the time during your exchanges trading hours. That suits you better. A profit is a profit. I totally agree. Don't get greedy. Nothing wrong with that. I've also had a couple of positions close at my trading position. Then they dropped, but I got to close. Absolutely. Saved you from a loss. Absolutely right. Remember, we've always said it's easy to make money on the stock market. What's difficult is to keep your profits. And right now, I'm making an awful mess of that, because if you remember, I was at 58,000. I was here. And look at this. I have not managed to hold my money, but I'm looking for a long-term position. I've not sold out. I've held my positions, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So for me, it's still right for me. I'm very much a believer of Virgin Galactic, which is the biggest part of my portfolio, which is why I want to trim it back today, or at some point. If I can get any money out of it at all, I will trim some profits. I'm certainly not selling anything to buy more of it. I need to make money out of what I've already put in. We are dropping a lot though, no question about it. Let's go over and look at the charts. Let's show you the actual movement this morning. Look, here we go. Look at this. This is what's been going on. Look at the sell-offs this morning. Huge candles, by the way. Huge candles. A bit of a buy-in, but majority has been selling out. That's no surprise. That's what's happened to Virgin Galactic this morning. Incredible. So we've got to be careful with that this morning. And it's still falling down. It's down 4.8% now. Still falling. Big sell-offs. GGPI is starting to come up. Gores Guggenheim. Lucid is now pushing back up again. 8:53 here in the morning on Central Time. 9:53 Eastern Time. Paladin is trying to push up. Still down 40% though, remember. I'm not buying any more of it. Right now, I'm not buying anything. I am sitting out of all of this and letting it calm down. Things will recover, but you just have to give it time. Let's bring in our gold members this morning. There we go. If you want any of those free stocks that we offer, ask me and I'll tell you all about them. Here are the all links button in the chat. And if you're interested for any of the perks that we offer here as a member, including, of course, we promote your YouTube channel, put you on the homepage of my channel, exclusive videos, exclusive chat, all kinds of stuff. Oh, by the way, one of the features that you get is, as any member, is you get social media connection. So if you follow me on any of my social media, I will follow you back and support you on any of those platforms that I use. Twitter, Instagram, all that kind of stuff. All right? Tesla's now starting to move up. Look, 9.41. Still down, but we're starting to move up again now. You're waiting for SPG to get to 12. I need to get to 15. Yeah. I've got shares. I have got some shares at 35. Believe a bubble. So, you know, that's... it's. I mean, I'm down about $7,000 on Virgin Galactic right now. And... but I'm not concerned about it at all. They've sold the tickets. This is what I don't understand why people are... Well, I do understand why people are selling out. But I wouldn't be selling at these prices. It's ridiculous. People are selling for losses now. It's ridiculous. You should not be selling out Virgin Galactic at this position. People should be buying in at this position. But they're not. They're still selling. Well, that's just fear. I mean, the only reason why you do that is you think it's going to go to zero. Well, that's not going to happen. A lot of people don't know what they're doing right now. Selling at this position is crazy. Absolutely crazy what's happening right now. But you can't stop people from selling, can you? What can you do? Gores Guggenheim is pushing up. Lucy was trying to push up there for a moment. Robinhood is now down 3.87. Me Too Bubble. Yeah, we're all holding on. Yeah, I might. You know, the only way to correct this now, for now, would be to bring in some extra money, which I could do. I could bring in some extra money, and I could decide to buy again. But the way things are going now, we could go down to 6. And the only downside to that is it's going to oversize my portfolio too much. I mean, I could do it if it gets to like if it does go to 6, I might buy a little bit and then just keep selling it really quickly, just to claw back some money. I might do that, but I won't do it yet. If you've just joined us this morning, welcome, welcome, welcome. Subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And give us a thumbs up if you've not liked the video yet. Help us grow here on YouTube. If you're over on TikTok, thank you for all my followers over there on TikTok. Operator over there on TikTok. If you can get attention on me, it will be great. I'm not sure what you mean by that. If it goes down to 6, I'll buy more. Yeah, that's where it could go to, and I think if it does that, I will. I won't touch it yet. But if it does go to 6, I might. And what I'll do, I will trade it straight away. Like it's 6 to 6.50, I'll trade it straight away. That's what I might like. That's what I might do, and just take some money out of it to replenish the losses I've made. That's probably what I'll do. But I'm glad I'm in it where I am. So when we do get the return, I'm ready to go. Robinhood now is picking up 3% now, 3.3. 1467. Let's have a look at Hood's chart as well today. There we go. Wow, look at this morning. We started out with big sell-offs this morning, as you can see. Big sell-off this morning. And we've had some buying coming in. But yeah, we started the morning. No surprise this, really. We've not had a Monday morning. We're one day behind the market. It's not surprising where we are today. These sell-offs are expected. Robinhood is starting to pick up now, though. Right, we're coming up to Day Trader of the Day. We're going to find out who actually won today's all the morning so far. I wonder who it will be. So, just before we run Day Trader of the Day, we just got to pay the bills. Run a quick ad. You can skip the ads, of course. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. Right, now then, don't post your positions until I post mine. I will share with you my position first, and then I'll give you a minute timer on the clock. Alright, now if you're behind, make sure you've refreshed the screen and you've caught up to where you need to be, so you are up to date with us. If you're behind, you will miss out on the day trader competition. You need to make sure that you're up to date. So if you're not sure, just refresh your screen. That'll bring you up to date. Right. On the day, I am down again today. And post it here. Down 1.21%. Don't post yet until I give you the timer. So if you're not sure that you are completely up to date with us, just refresh your screen. And let's see how we go. All right, I'm going to bring in the timer. Are you ready? Get your scores ready. Don't post them yet. Just hold on. And we're going to find out who won the morning. Tesla's just rising, but just dropping off the top. Rivian's going down again. Virgin Galactic now at 9.55. 9.54. Gauss Guggenheim down at 0.88. Lucid is down 5%. Robinhood is down 3.76. Blimey. We've had months of it now. We've had like 2 or 3 months of this stuff now. It's been really, really tough. Okay. All right. Post your scores now, everybody. Post your scores now in the screen. Give you a minute. Let's see who wins. Post your scores. Let's see who wins the day trader in the morning. Tesla's now falling down again. Right, Mark Korn is down 3.92. More than me. So I'm winning so far. There's no way I'm going to win this today. I'd be surprised if I do. 22 seconds to go. I am up. Queen of Self-Braiding is up 4.55. Fantastic score. Down 3.57. The winner so far up. Brilliant. Queen of Self-Braiding. Here we go. Absolutely okay. So, Believer Bubble was down 3.57. Mark Korn was down 3.92. But it looks like... Oh, CryptoCam. Didn't even know CryptoCam was here. CryptoCam's very, very quiet. CryptoCam is one of our members as well. CryptoCam, are you a silver member? I'm not sure. Let me have a look. Because if you are a silver member... I can't remember if you are. Let me know, and you can request your YouTube channel on my homepage, and we promote you. I don't know if you're a YouTuber and you want me to promote you. Let me know, and I'll do that for you. Right, it looks like the winner is, without a question, Queen of Self-Braiding is up 4.55. That's an amazing score. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give her a thumbs up. We're all sobbing in the corner. No, not yet. Okay. I didn't know if you were or not. All right, brilliant. Queen of Self-Braiding. Let's give a big round of applause. There we go. Nice one. Congratulations to the Queen of Self-Braiding. That's a great score today, by the way. An absolutely fantastic score. It's because of BBIG. BBIG is what's making her money. Congratulations to you. That's a really great score. Queen, good job. Indeed. A very, very good score indeed. Congratulations, everyone celebrating with you. Awesome. Let's have a little look at BBIG. You've been talking about it now for a while. Let's have a look. BBIG. This is Vinco Ventures. She's been making money on this one for quite a while. Let's have a look. Wow, 25% today. What the heck? 114% this week. Wow. Digital marketing company. This is exploding. Look at this. Wow, look at it there, look. Wow, it's pumping today. Look at that. That's some growth, no question. Wow. You need to research more about it. Yeah, I would. I'm not going to buy into it because buying into it now when all that's already happened would probably be a bad idea. But very, very well done. Very, very well done. Let's add that to my list to research. There we go. Vinco Ventures. Doing very, very well. Need to know more about it. But Queen of Self Braiding has done very, very well on that one today. I bet she's chuffed with that. And it's still rising as well. Right. Tesla is now just picking up. Rivian is moving up now. SPCE was it looks like it's starting to find a bottom for the day. We don't know yet though. Gores Guggenheim just dropping back. Lucid trying to lift up. Hood trying to lift up now. Getting a definite return on Hood. Right, a sale on Hood is 1733. Oh, we got a way to go. It's going to have a Lomo TV. Hang on, what does it say here? It is going to have a something TV, a competitor to TikTok. Is that right? That's interesting. Do you mean some sort of app? Lomo TV. A competitor to TikTok. I'm not sure what that means. Can you just check what you mean by that? PayPal is now pushing up. That's better. Immersion now. We're making some money now. Right. It's going to have an app. Oh, it's going to have an app. You guys make it. How am I supposed to... Lomo TV. How am I supposed to think that's an app? I had to guess that. It's going to have an app, a competitor to TikTok. All right. Okay. I got it. Blimey, you don't make that easy, do you? Brilliant. On is now down 2.45. Rolls-Royce going sideways now. Boeing's having a good day today. I've got 4 shares of Boeing up 1%. I'm not quite in the money yet. I'm still down 7%. But Apple is doing okay. It's moving up, but I'm up for nearly 5% on Apple. Canoe is down 19%. Right, Ethereum now is starting to lift up. Ethereum is starting to lift up. Doge is a tiny bit. Bitcoin is just having some upswing right now. Right, the overall portfolio is starting to move again. Okay, things are getting better. We've had the sell-off this morning. We've had remember, the market wasn't open on Monday, so now we're getting everyone selling out, and now we're going to make some profits again. As you can see, things are starting to lift up a little bit. I've held my positions. I'm comfortable where I am. Starting to see an improvement. And those improvements... Right, there's Tesla again now. Exactly. Good. We're about to make profits with Tesla again. We're down just 0.35 overall. Very close to making a profit with Tesla. And that will drive Rivian. And I wouldn't be surprised if Lucid as well. There you go. They're all coming back up again. And SPC will follow behind. These are all similar stocks. Very high risk, all the same sector. What we've got right now, I want to be absolutely clear, right? Virgin Galactic is overselling. It's absolutely ridiculous overselling right now. There's no need for this amount of selling. It is going to improve. We are going to see things get better. I'm not in a position to buy it in more, and I'm not going to anyway. Lucid now is starting to pick up. Robinhood's starting to pick up. So we're starting to see some money come back in now. PayPal's coming back up again. That's better. Immersion up nearly 1% now. On is moving up again. Rolls-Royce will just trade sideways now. We talked about the other day. This is barcoding trading. Algorithms are trading this now. We're up now. 1.27 on Boeing. Apple is making a push up as well. Gove is up as well now. There we go. Ethereum is lifting up. So is Doge, and so is Bitcoin. Look, on the hour now, we're up 0.36. Much better. There we go. There we go. I'm about to turn green on the day, which will be good. That'll be very good. If you've just joined us, please click subscribe and ring the bell. We're here live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Give us a thumbs up. We invite you to become a member. You get lots of perks as a member. And it helps support the channel as well. There we go. There is the invitation to join. And if you want any of the all links buttons with all the offers that we have, and we have the Discord group and the Twitter and all that stuff. Once again, guys, I'll make sure everyone is following me on Twitter. It's a backup to the channel should anything happen, and it does happen all the time, especially with financial trading channels. Here is the Twitter account. Follow me on there. Thank you very much indeed. Right. We are very close now from seeing the portfolio turn green. On the hour, we're up. Things are getting better. We've had the start of the week sell-off. And now we're seeing, here we go, Tesla is now up 0.76. I'm in the money again with Tesla. Good. Nearly in profit for the day. Rivian very close now. Virgin Galactic now moving back up again. If I can get out today, I don't see it happening, but I'm looking for a trade of around about $12. I don't think it's going to happen, but with a stock so oversold, it could. It could easily. Everyone's suddenly buying with this, with the slightest bit of news, and it will pop up and we'll do all right. And then I will sell it around 12. I will sell around 12, take some profits out of it. But we've got a ways to go before that happens. I don't expect it to happen today. But who knows? Lucid is starting to push up. Hood is starting to push up. A few things now are making their way forward. All right, guys. I'm just going to take a 2-minute break. Stick with me. And just taking a restroom break, and I'll be back in just 2 minutes from now. So please don't go away. Keep your eye on these stocks. We're looking at Tesla now moving up. We'll leave it on the main screen there. In fact, what we'll do, I think we'll go over to the Robinhood app and share it over there. And let's have a look what we're looking at now. Let's see if we can get the day to turn green. There we go. We'll leave it just there. I'll be back in just 2 minutes, folks. Thank you very much for being with me. We'll be here till 10 o'clock, another 45 minutes. And then we'll take a break, and then we'll be back for the closing bell. But we are now seeing some recoveries. This is looking a lot healthier. And I'm holding my positions. And let's see how we do. I'll see you back in 2 minutes. Don't go away. That's better. We lost the camera for a second, but I've just corrected that. See you back in 2 minutes. Okay. Let's go back and look where we are now. Thank you very much for your patience. I've just been away for a break. It's quite relaxing watching the cameras moving. Yeah, there we go. Glad you enjoyed that. It's good to be back. I hope you like the new set. I've got some lighting now on the back wall. I quite like it. I think it looks pretty smart. All right, let's read some of these comments that have just come in. We've got, I was closing my forward puts. There we go. That's what Muzan has been doing. That's nice, Moo. Too close to expiration date. It's quite relaxing watching the camera. Dave, thank you. I recovered some of my losses. Indeed. It's a tough time, and it has been now for a few weeks. There's no question about it. It's, in fact, a few months. It's been very, very difficult. All right. If you've just joined us, click subscribe and ring the bell. Love to have you here, and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that very much indeed. Queen of Self-Braiding today was our day trader of the day. Did very, very well. Fantastic indeed. Tesla is now up 1.36. Rivian is now starting to push up again. SBCE, oh, tried and back down again. Gores Guggenheim down 1.23. So far up for the day. Ugh, I'm not quite. I'm down 0.39, and what's killing me, of course, is Virgin Galactic. That's what's doing it. My overall portfolio, as you can see now, is 42.9. Lowest, all-time low again. Yep, this is my all-time low. I look like a pre-IPO. My portfolio looks like a pre-IPO, doesn't it? Comes out and does this. But there you go. Tesla is up 1.27. Let's look at our crypto this morning. We got a bit of a bounce. It started to come up, then drop back down again. So we're a ways off, I think, from seeing all this pick up. Apple is sideways now. Not a lot going on there. Boeing's made a good start to the day. Boeing is just down slightly, or just edging down again. Had a good start to the day. All right. We're going to end the show here today. We'll be back for the closing bell. There's not a lot going on right now. It's a very, very tough market for everyone. Bank stocks are doing well. Let's have a quick look. We talked about that earlier. Let's have a quick look. But let's just go for the Bank of America, for example. I think it'll be good while until I am up. Yeah. Right, Bank of America is down 2% today. Okay, that's not great. I thought bank stocks were doing well. What's all this about? Hang on, let's pan out. Okay, we've had good growth over the last 5 years. This is March 20. Yeah, look, here it is. You can always spot COVID, look. But it's been rising ever since. I thought we'd had good news on banking stocks. That isn't very good. Bank of America's not doing anything very, very good, is it? 8% in the last month. I mean, I suppose compared to everything else, but the last week it's been down. Today it's down. Yeah, nothing great there, really. I mean, over the last month, it's up 9%. Can't find how to log of the new YouTube and into my old channel. Finally in Garage. How to log out of your YouTube channel. What you do, Bill, is you go. Hang on, I can't really share with you. It's impossible for me to show you on the screen how to log out of a channel. You click your icon in the top right-hand corner. The top right-hand corner of your browser will be the logout, but will be your icon for your Google account. Log out of that one and back in the other one. That's all you need to do. I can't actually show you that. It won't let me show you that. It's off the screen. I can't get to that part of the screen. Anyway, There we go. We're about to turn green. We could turn green on the day any moment now. Very, very close. Tesla is up 1.28. Rivian is down. I can do that, but no logout. What do you mean? You're clicking on that, there's no logout? The icon just below it. You got two. You got one on the taskbar, and then one on the main. This is so difficult to show him. It won't let me share that part of the screen. Hang on a minute. We're trying to help Billy. He can't log out of his account. Green is my best friend, and I missed it. Yes, indeed. Didn't we all? I'm trying to help Bill. Oh, here we go, Bill. Look. See here. Oh, it's just off the screen. I can't. Just next to the... Yeah, it's impossible to show the log out. It won't let me show it. But if I click my icon, look, it says sign out. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. There you go. See my little icon here? Can you see right in the right-hand corner? If I click on that, sign out. See that, look? Sign out or switch account. So you can switch account if you've got them under the same email address, or you can click sign out. Bill, WEBULL is trying to help you. If you use the Discord, he'll go through and share screenshots with you and all sorts of stuff. WEBULL is extremely helpful. There you go. If I switch account, I'll go on to my other channels. But Bill has created a different account, I think. So you need to sign out and sign in. So it's right there. Sorry, Bill, I can't do much more during a live show, I'm afraid. We're just about to turn green. Will we turn green today? I'm hoping so. Come on. I do prefer green, I have to be honest. It just looks better, doesn't it? It's not just we're making money. It just looks better. Red is like great. Red is great for Manchester United and the flag of England, but I like green when it comes to my stocks and shares. All right. Oh, he's found it. There you go. Oh, hang on, Bill. Have you just become a member? I thought you couldn't do it. Oh no, he's gone back to Shin Dynasty. Okay, I see. There it is. There you go, Bill. Right, but you want to be in the other one for the moderator, so you can be in both now, right? Anyway, Rivian is now down 3%. Starting to push up though. I might be green. Oh, 0.04. You subscribed in Bill, did you? Did anyone see the subscribe come up? I never saw it. Did anyone see that? Did I miss that? It should have been like this on the screen. Should have been like that. I never saw that. Okay, 0.02. We're nearly green today. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come and join us here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. Just click the icon at the top and very, very simple, and you'll be with our day traders. We're about to turn green. We might just do it before we finish the show. I'm just trying to wind up the show right now. Rivian is lifting up now. SPCE was and then fell back again. What we're looking for this morning, we're looking for a re-entry point into Lucid. I want to get back into Lucid. I only have one share of Lucid right now. I sold out to buy my position with Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic, I want to get to 11 or 12, sort of $12 a share will be good. And I would then sell 100 and, how many have I got? 170 at 12 shares, at $12. Down 0.28 on. Yeah, when you subscribe, Bill, it'll pop up on the screen. I'll see it. Everybody will see it. I've not seen it, so I don't know what's happened there. Boeing is up 1.16. Apple is moving up now, down 0.53. Canoe is down 2%. And Ethereum is now just moving up slightly. So is Bitcoin. You did it again. All right, well, it will come on the screen. When you subscribe, it comes on the screen. So let's see if it works. And that's the account you want to be silver with, Bill. And you're a moderator as well, so I can share I can share all your links here. And hopefully this account will be good. If it happens on this one, then we know it's you, right? Right. Just down 0.6% again. So we're just seeing the overall portfolio dropping again. Thank you, Bill. I don't know why it hasn't come up on the screen. It's a bit weird. Rivian is down 4.5. SPCE is just dropping back again. All right, it's time to take a break. I'll be back again for the closing bell. Be a very interesting day today. See where we end up. It's been a very, very tough day. It's been a very tough couple of months for everyone. I know it has. I'm hoping things are going to improve. They will improve. I'm no doubt about that. But it's going to be a little while for us. Those of you that are in Virgin Galactic with me, it's going to be quite a while. The overall portfolio is down. Look to 42,906. We're having a hard time. So there we go. Thoughts for the day. I want to thank everyone ever so much for being here with me. You've been absolutely wonderful, as you are always. It's been an absolute pleasure. Bit cold here today in Texas. It's very, very cold, very, very dry, and we are feeling a bit of the pain here this morning. But nevertheless, thanks for being here. I'll see you all back later for the closing bell. Let's hope things can improve a little bit. So thanks ever so much for being here. Just going to leave you now with our thank you screen. There we go. Good stuff. And I wish everybody well. Just stay calm with what you believe in. If you believe in Virgin Galactic like I do, if that's your position, hold on and you'll be fine. But right now everybody's selling out. There's no great news, nothing going on. And all we can do is wait. The stock market is a game for patience. You could sell out and walk away, but I wouldn't do that because then you lose money. Unless you are going to reposition and buy lower, I wouldn't do that. So, I'll see you all back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.